Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to reset system settings in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset default settings in your Android, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit. You can see here systems, just tap on the systems. In this, you can see here reset option. Just tap on this reset option. Guys, here you can see 3 to 4 options. In this you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, reset app preference, reset all settings, or erase all data. Means factory reset. It will delete all your application and mobile settings, and all it will be a default reset. If you want to just reset the settings, if you want to keep your mobile data, just want to reset your mobile settings, you can tap on this reset all settings. Just tap on reset settings. And tap on reset all settings. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset system default settings in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.